Hello everyone, my name is Panja Abhishek and today I will be presenting our project titled Online Vaccine Management and Appointment System. In the current system, people need to visit hospital physically to check vaccine availability and confirm appointments. This leads to long queues and time waste, and sometimes appointments are unavailable. The existing system uses too much paperwork, manual records management, slow scheduling, and poor vaccine stock tracking. To solve this problem, we developed a web based system where users can check vaccine availability and book appointments online easily. Our system maintains vaccine records digitally, provides real time availability, and reduces manual effort for hospital and patients too. The main features include secure login, online appointment booking, vaccine stock tracking, reminds, and a user friendly interface. Our project uses front-end, backend, and database architecture for managing users' appointment and vaccine records secure. In front-end, basically, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for backend, we use Node.js Express, and for database, we basically use MongoDB. The index or landing page of our application, it acts as the entry point of the system. We can see the basic details and the features of the website, and there is options like get started free and login account. So there is a different roles like patient and hospital. We can log in from here. Uh, when you are coming to the first time to this application, then we need to sign up. And just for patient, it's showing details like full name, age, gender, email address, and create password. And I will log in with the existing credentials like I have created already. When you will give the login credential, then it will, based on the role, it will redirect into either patient or hospital dashboard. Um, Here we can see the dashboard of the patient. Here we can search vaccines based on the name like uh, Covaxin, and we can also fetch the vaccines based on the location. We can use the location and we can fetch the vaccines. I'm using use my current location. So based on the location, it's retrieving the vaccines. And here's based on the rating also we can filter the vaccines. And here we can see the details for every vaccine, like vaccine name, from which hospital, and the location, cost, doctor name, and how many years the doctor having the experience. And this is the my appointments section. First, I will book any vaccine. So this is the vaccine, Covaxin, and Aster Prime Hospital. The doctor name is Verma, and the cost of the vaccine is 490. So here we need to first select the date on which day we want to take the vaccine. For example, I'm selecting the date. So after then, we need to select the slots. The slots are given by hospitals. So for example, I'm selecting 2 p.m. and confirm booking. So we can check the that in my appointments. So Covaxin is on pending. This will be accepted by the hospital, and after accepting, we will get the sign like it's accepted. If they reject, then we will get the sign they rejected. After completion of the vaccine, we can also give the rating. We can give the rating here, rate. This will be completed from the hospital dashboard, not by the patient. After going to hospital and completing the vaccine, we can see the that in completed section. Uh, when we click on rate, so we can see first star very bad, bad and average, good and excellent. So I'm giving the rating. So based on that, the rating will be updated here. This is the patient dashboard, and now rest explanation for hospital dashboard will be provided by my teammates. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Karsha Bansal and I will be continuing from here. Firstly, I will log in as a patient using these credentials. Now I have logged into patient dashboard system. Now I will book a vaccine. For example, I'm booking this vaccine from here. I am using today's slot. It is showing these slots and I'm using this slot and I will tap on confirm booking. So I have booked a slot. It is showing in my appointments now the hospital name and the timing, and now I will log out. Now I will log in to that hospital to which I have booked that vaccine. That hospital credentials are these. Now I have logged in. Now as you can see I can able to see this booking in my today's schedule. The name I used was Tom and the time that I used is displaying here, and the vaccine name was also is displaying here. So this is how we can book a vaccine and this is how it is displayed in hospital's dashboard. Now as you can see that this hospital dashboard is showing total bookings, total vaccine stock and the pending appointments. And moving on to the next section, that is bookings. These are total details. Either we want to accept it or we want to reject it or we want to mark it as complete. For example, I am clicking here complete. It will be removed from here. If I will reject, it will be also removed. So to the left side, here were there are total 3 sections, and from here my other teammate will continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Pawar, and as my team member I've already made you understand how a project works. Let's move on to the last part. For example, if a hospital wants to sign up, let the hospital name be Care Hospital. Its email address with this location we can take. So we now just move on to the dashboard of this Care Hospital, which is all empty because we just signed up it right now and it's all empty. For example, if we want to add a vaccine for smallpox vaccine, doctor name we can take Dr. Ridhima, experience is 7 years, stock we can take 120, cost we can take 250, and we can register the vaccine right here. So in vaccine inventory it will be updated like how many units are there and the stock actions and the cost of it. And also we can here see the hospital timings. For example, Thursday we can keep it closed and all that. We can save it right here. So now on the dashboard it's all updated that we have 120 vaccines, but we can see no appointment has been made because no user has logged in into that right now. Let us just make a sign in. So for example, if we search smallpox vaccine, here we can see it. We can book it. For example, if I book for Monday, it will show the hospital is closed because we just set it up in the hospital dashboard that on that day it will be closed. So we can change it right here, make it Tuesday, and for the slot we can keep it 1:30 p.m. and confirm our booking. So in my appointments, we can see it's 28 April pending because it's not been accepted by the hospital right now, and the time is 1:30 p.m. We can cancel it also here right now. So in conclusion, the Vexca system successfully demonstrates how a digital platform can simplify and improve the vaccination process, thus reducing the manual efforts and minimizing errors. With further improve, the system can be expanded into a more powerful and scalable solution. Thank you.